Did you know that the dropshipping market is expected to reach 300 billion in 2024? This is a gold mine. But with so much competition, you will need a plan to get your piece of the cake. Consider this video as a checklist for everything you should do to succeed in the dropshipping business. Hello everyone, this is Jean from DSers. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, we're putting our focus on all the details you should pay attention to if you want to succeed in your dropshipping business. We're going to go over 9 different points you should follow while dropshipping, including market research, business planning, supplier choosing, store building, and so on. If you enjoy our work, make sure to leave a like. In our next video, we'll talk about Ecommerce. Subscribe so you won't miss it, and let's get started. Alright, first on our list is market research. Market research includes understanding the demand for certain products, identifying your target audience, studying competitors, and assessing market trends. Market research is here to help you make informed decisions about what product to sell, who your potential customers are, and how to position your business in a competitive landscape. There are a few things you should follow when doing market research. 1. Explore broad market trends. Some tools like Google Trends can give you insight into which products or categories are gaining popularity. Look for product-related keywords with consistent upward trends in search volume over time, as this indicates growing interest and demand. 2. Dive into marketplaces. Have a look at ALiExpress, Temu, Amazon, and even Facebook Marketplace. For example, the Amazon bestsellers list can show you the top performing products in various categories. Pay attention to products that have a high sales rank, but relatively few sellers, as this indicates less competition. 3. Use social media platforms. Spend time on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or TikTok to see what's trending. Hashtags, influencer posts, or popular pages can reveal what's currently in vogue. Look at the engagement levels on posts to gauge the interest as well. The number of likes and comments you see on the various posts will show you the potential of certain products. 4. Join niche-specific forums and communities. Websites like Reddit and specialized Facebook groups can provide valuable insight into what people are talking about, what problems they are facing, and what product they're looking for. Engage with these communities to get a feeling of what might sell well. All those mentioned above can be time-consuming, but are necessary before you move on. One of the keys to success is planning your business. This step involves outlining your business goals, the budget, and the marketing strategies. A solid business plan will serve you as a roadmap, guiding you through the process and helping you stay focused. Here are a few things to consider for your business plan. 1. Set clear business goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve with your dropshipping store. Are you looking to generate a certain amount of revenue, reach a specific number of customers, or expand into new markets? Or simply said, do you want to make some cash, or do you want to build a brand? Having specific, measurable goals will help you track your progress and stay motivated. 2. Outline a budget. Decide how much money you can allocate to various aspects of your business. Things like website development, marketing, product sourcing, and operational expenses all require money. But be realistic about your budget and try to include a buffer for expected costs, as you may end up spending more than you planned. 3. Determine marketing goals. Your marketing plan should outline how you intend to attract and retain customers. Start by identifying your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? And where can you reach them? This research can go hand in hand with your market research we mentioned in the first part. Once you've defined your audience, you have to set specific marketing goals. For example, you might aim to gain a certain number of social media followers or achieve a particular conversion rate. You'll need to develop a marketing strategy that includes various channels such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Allocate your budget to these channels accordingly based on where you expect the best return on investment. For social media marketing, try to use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to reach and engage with your audience. Check our published video about dropshipping advertising to learn practical operation and tips. For email marketing, you should build an email list of all your customers and send regular newsletter, promotion, and updates to keep your audience engaged and encourage repeat purchases. In terms of content marketing, create various content such as blog, posts, videos, and guides to attract potential customers and establish your authority in your niche. You can also do paid advertising by investing in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or other PPC campaigns to drive targeted traffic to your store. 4. Review and adjust your business plan. This is extremely important. As your business grows and the market evolves, you might need to tweak your goals, budget, and your marketing strategies. Stay flexible and prepare to adapt. Carefully planning your business ensures that you are clear on your goals, prepared for expenses, and ready to reach your audience effectively. A strong business plan is the best way to be ready for everything. It's time to choose suppliers. A supplier can make or break your business, so it's essential to choose wisely. There are some tricks you should know about choosing a supplier. 1. Look at suppliers' reviews and ratings. High ratings and positive reviews indicate that a supplier is reliable and trusted by other dropshippers. Take time to read through the reviews to understand common issues and advantages. 2. Evaluate the shipping time and cost. Delivery time is important for customer satisfaction. You need a supplier that offers reasonable shipping time. Compare the shipping option and cost to make sure you can offer the fastest and most cost-effective shipping according to your plan. 3. Test sample orders. Order samples of the product you're interested in selling. This will allow you to assess the quality firsthand and to ensure it meets your standards. 4. Check the supplier's communication. Good communication is vital. Reach out to potential suppliers with questions about their product, shipping, and return policies. Responsive and helpful suppliers are more likely to provide good service consistently, especially in case of problems. 5. Consider the supplier's reliability and stability. A supplier with a long track record and a solid reputation is less likely to let you down. Look for signs that they can handle large orders and maintain consistent stock levels. You don't want your supplier to suddenly disappear. 6. Compare prices. While it's important to keep costs low, don't choose a supplier based solely on their cheapest prices. Balance price with quality, reliability, and service. Remember, a slightly higher cost for a more reliable supplier can save you money in the long run by reducing returns and customers' complaints. If you want to learn more about how to use AliExpress for dropshipping, you can check the video we made on the subject in the description below. It goes into depth about all the important factors for selecting an AliExpress supplier, key questions to ask when communicating with them, and popular marketplaces recommendations like AliExpress, Alibaba, DHgate, Wholesale2B, and so on in case you're interested. It's time to build your store after that. While dropshipping, you need a place to sell your products and get all the orders after all, right? So it's important to build a store that not only attracts your audience, but also leads to a high conversion. Different websites are available for building stores. The first option is Shopify. Shopify is designed to be user-friendly even for beginners. It has an intuitive interface to easily set up and manage your store without needing extensive technical skills. There's also a comprehensive set of e-commerce features out of the box, like payment gateways, customizable storefronts, and analytics easily accessible in Shopify. And finally, Shopify has a vast app ecosystem providing you with a wide range of apps to extend your store functionality. Check out our published video about how to create a Shopify store to learn detailed steps for Shopify store creation. Another option is WooCommerce. This is an open source platform that offers extensive customization options. Since it's built on WordPress, you can leverage thousands of themes and plugins to create a store that fits your exact needs. This flexibility allows for a highly personalized shopping experience. The WooCommerce itself is free to use. You will need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and any premium theme and plugins you choose to use. A third option is Wix. Wix is well known for its drag-and-drop website builder capabilities, which makes it extremely easy to use, even for those with no technical background. Accept those options. You can try Build Your Store. This is a tool for generating a Shopify store with AI that comes with winning products and ready-to-sell pages. This specialization can make setting up and running up your store more streamlined and efficient. But don't think you'll end up with a perfectly finished store. You'll still need to tweak things. Once your store is built, it's time to customize your domain name. Your domain name is often the first thing potential customers see. A memorable and professional domain name can create a positive first impression and enhance your brand's credibility. It's easier for customers to remember and return to your store if your domain name stands out. Here are a few steps to follow while you work on your domain name. 1. Choose a relevant name. It should reflect your brand's identity. Make sure your domain name aligns with your brand's name and product or offer. Keep it short and simple, as shorter domain names are easier to remember and type. Avoid using complex words, numbers, or hyphens, and try to incorporate relevant keywords that describe your business or product to improve the SEO. 2. Check the availability. Use domain registration websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains to check if your desired domain name is available. You can also check social media to see if the name is available to maintain consistency across your online presence. 3. Choose the right extension. .com is the most popular and universally recognized extension, often preferred for commercial businesses. But some niche extension can also be a good idea. You might consider using other extensions like .shop, .store, or country-specific extension like .co or .uk. 4. Register your domain. Once you have chosen the domain name and made sure it's available, You can purchase your domain from a reputable domain register. Many platforms, including Shopify and Wix, offer domain registration services directly through their platform. It's also a good idea to consider adding domain privacy protection to keep your personal information secure and reduce spam at this step. 5. Integrate with your store. Depending on the platform you use, like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, you will need to update your settings accordingly, so be careful. This may all sound simple, but all those steps are quite important, so take your time. The same goes with SSL Certificate. SSL Certificate, also known as Secure Socket Layer Certificate, is a digital certificate that authenticates the identity of a website and encrypts information sent between the server and the visitor's browser. Basically, it helps with data encryption, and it will help you with SEO. It will help you in securing sensitive data, such as personal information, credit card numbers, and login credentials, but also benefits you for search engine ranking. For example, Google prioritizes secure website in their ranking. Getting an SSL certificate is straightforward. 1. Choose an SSL certificate provider, such as Let's Encrypt or Symantec. 2. Select the type of SSL certificate that best suits your needs. 3. Generate a certificate signing request, also known as CSR. If you're not using a hosting service that provides an automated setup, generate a CSR from your server where the SSL certificate will be installed. 4. Complete the validation process, which involves verifying your domain ownership. 5. Follow the instructions provided by your SSL certificate provider to install the certificate on your server. 6. Finally, update your website to make sure all links and resources on your website use HTTPS instead of HTTP. You can use tools like online mixed content checkers to ensure all your resources are securely loaded. The SSL certificate might not sound important, but it will help a lot in building trust with your audience. Now that your store is created, you can import products to your store. You can add products information to your store manually, of course. However, it's recommended that you directly import products and corresponding details from supplier platform. If you use Shopify or Woo for dropshipping, you can install DSers to import products from ALiExpress directly, for example, to avoid all the manual labor and simplify your work. Once a product is imported, you can modify the product details, including the title, description, images, variants, and so on, to make them more attractive. Your product listing should be near perfect. We're almost done now, but it's time to work on your store settings. Properly configuring your store settings is essential to ensure smooth operation, customer satisfaction, and compliance with legal and financial regulation. There are various aspects to consider for store settings. 1. General settings, like the store name and contact information, should all be set properly. But also the time zone and currency should be configured according to your target market. 2. The payment settings. Choose and set up payment gateways to accept payments. Common options include PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify payments. But you should also set up payment options like credit, debit card, or digital wallets to cater to your customers' preferences. 3. The shipping settings. You need to set up your shipping zone, shipping rates, and the delivery method you offer. Define shipping zones where you will ship your products, but also the shipping rate for each zone. You can also set up delivery method based on your supplier's option and the preferences of your customers. 4. Tax settings. Configure tax rates according to local laws in the regions you sell. This includes sales tax, VAT, and so on. You can use automatic tax calculation features offered by your e-commerce platform or tax software to ensure accuracy. 5. Notifications. Set up order confirmation emails to notify customers when their orders are placed, processed, and shipped. You can also create notification for customers' inquiries and support requests to ensure timely response. 6. Legal pages. Create a privacy policy that outlines how you collect, use, and protect customers' data. It's as important as your return and refund policy. Clearly state your return and refund policy, including conditions for returns, timelines, and the procedures. This should go together with your shipping policy, which would include delivery times, shipping costs, and any potential delays. You can also create a customer service policies to ensure you won't face any issue on that side. 7. Integrations. Before you go live with your store, install and configure dropshipping apps to automate product import, inventory management, order fulfillment, and other parts of your business. Make sure to also set up customer support tools like live chat, help desk software, and chatbots to assist customers. Once you're done with all that, then you can go live. Launching your store, though, it's not the end of your work. Last on our list is the marketing. By using various marketing strategies, you can increase visibility, attract potential customers, and drive sales. There are different ways to market your dropshipping products. 1. Offer promotion and discounts. You can do some seasonal sales and promotions to attract customers during peak shopping times. Creating some loyalty programs to reward repeat customers with discounts, points, or exclusive offer is also a great way to promote your products. Just like bundles and upsells, offer multiple products together to increase your average order value. 2. Content marketing. Think about blogging, video content, and infographics. Start a blog to provide valuable content related to your niche. Write articles to answer common questions, offer tips, and solve problems for your audience. Create videos showcasing your products, how-tos, and customers' testimonials. Use platforms like YouTube and TikTok to reach a broader audience. Use infographics to present information visually and share them on your blog and social media. 3. Leverage customers' reviews and testimonials. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your website and social media pages. Collect them and share them. Display positive reviews and testimonials prominently on your product pages and marketing materials to build trust. There is nothing better than user-generated content to show your brand and your store can be trusted. All right, we are done with the checklist. As you see, there are a lot of things you should do to be ready. Market research and business plan are the first things you should do, but only the beginning. Building your store, customizing your store domain, finding your products and suppliers are all key steps. I'm going to repeat myself, but dropshipping is not easy. You'll need to put in the work and make sure you do everything correctly to stand a chance. This checklist is here to help you with that. Follow it carefully to put luck on your side. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And if that's the case, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping tips. We have more videos coming soon. But until then, happy dropshipping.